This
The
conference will
Nagios.
now be recorded.
Yeah. So guys, as I told yesterday, this is the Nagios master dashboard. Okay. Like here only we monitor all our server status. So how many servers you have in your project? Okay, now all servers you will monitor from here only. You no need to log in each and every server to check the status like CPU utilization, memory utilization, okay, storage, and whether my process running or not in that particular server. Okay, whether my service is running in that particular server or not. Even is there any errors in that log file, server log file, application log file? Okay, na? So you no need to bother about. Of course, application log monitoring also will be there, guys. There are some other tools like we have Splunk. Okay, now those are application level monitoring. Okay, so and once you have the setup, now which server you want to monitor? So that one I want to add here. So I will show you now how. Can you please launch one more server now?
Okay, sir.
One more CentOS. CentOS. Go with CentOS. Because the document which I provided to you work for CentOS. Maybe in if you have Amazon machines, you have to find out Amazon related version, guys. That so this agent version will be separate. Okay, na. So different distribution has different versions, guys. So Ubuntu, it may have different like that. It depends on your requirement.
Sir, which can I take, sir?
7. Go with 7. And one more thing, guys, just for your information, if I don't provide any information about class or link means compulsory class is there. Wait for some time. Maybe sometimes what will happen na? The like what I can say this go to meeting. Maybe some it could be some technical problem or it could be my network problem or it could be laptop related. So sometimes it will take some time to log in. Okay, na. If I don't reply you means compulsory class is there. Don't send first of all because it's something like not one group, right? So multiple groups, few people they are pinging me privately, like class is there, class is not there, what is the link, like that, right? So definitely I cannot reply all these people as well as I cannot concentrate on login also. Okay, na, at least wait minimum 5 minutes, and after that also ping only in group chat. Okay, na, not privately related the class. If I don't ping you, if I don't respond means 100% class is there. If any issues from my side, if I'm not able to log in, okay, so I will reply you. Compulsory, I will post in the group chat. Like today class is not there like that. So don't worry about that. Just for your information. don't ping me privately. That too, like wait for some time. If I don't reply means 100% class is there. Yeah, log into that. Now assume that this is one of the machine, maybe development machine. Okay, na, in your project. Or some like application website is running in that machine. Okay, so your target is it's a newly launched server. Guys, compulsory now onwards. If any new server launched, we will set up Nagios. We'll add the like agent here. So automatically, if any issues happen in this server, it is being monitored. You will get alerts. Okay. So this server I want to monitor now. How? So can you please open my document, the other document which I provided. Yeah. Go ahead and follow that. Follow the steps. Hmm. Run this command. So wget not there. And one more thing, guys, whenever you get any error, try to analyze that error. Don't simply what I can say, go with the next command. So why? Because why I'm saying this, few students what they are doing, simply if I give one document, they're not checking the outputs. Simply just they're running. That's it. It doesn't matter what error you are getting, what output you are getting. Don't do that. Okay, na? Always follow the document. See here. So wget command is generally to download the content from the internet. Okay, na? But here in this case, wget not there. What should I do? I have to install wget first. Run it. Yum install wget. Yum install wget. Why? Because it is CentOS machine, right? So I use, yeah. Okay. Now see, you copied wrongly. This also you copied. So copy properly. And this is not a full command. Uh, Copy properly. Enter. So you are downloading the zip file, guys. So every time you may not get the RPM package, guys. ప్రతిసారి మీకు ఆర్పిఎం ప్యాకేజ్ దొరకాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు. Sometimes even at the vendor, okay, they may provide zip files also. Okay, na. So what is the difference between zip and normal file? I will show you. Can you please open your paint session? Yeah. So guys, now I will show you what is the difference between RPM package and zip file. So when you install an application with RPM package, what will happen? And when you install zip file, your application with zip file, what will happen? I will show you. Example, this is your operating system. Okay, na? This is your. It doesn't matter which application which operating system and which application it is. When you install with yum command, what will happen? Yum install the package name. Example, let's take Nagios itself or some other like HTTPD. Okay, na? Any application when you install, what will happen in what is the yum configuration folder? etc yum dot repos dot d. This is the folder, guys, for yum configuration. Okay, now it will read this folder. In this folder, you will be having dot repo files. Ante with dot repo extension, some files will be there. In that file, you have the website details, the repository website details. So your yum command will read these files. It will read this website in this file, and it will connect to that website. Okay, now it will connect to that website, and from there it will download the RPM package. From there it will download the RPM package. So guys, RPM is it's not a single file. Okay, now it is also one of the zip format. Okay, so dot RPM kuda oka zip format anamata. It is also one of the zip format. Okay, na. So when I download and install, what will happen? That RPM file will be extracted. Okay, na. So that RPM file will be extracted from the extracted. Okay. So it has multiple files again, that RPM file, not single file. Okay. So what it does, it will send the respected files into respected folders. Basically, in that file, what will be there mean? You will get libraries, you will get binaries. Binaries and commands. Command files will be there, right? Related to that application. It will go to bin folder. Libraries will go to /lib folder. Libraries means module, that application related module, driver. In Windows terminology, we call it as a driver, supported packages. Next, documentation will go to /usr/share. Okay, so if any log file, application log file, guys, what is log file mean? That a particular application related activity, what is going on, any errors, okay, na, who did what, so like restarted, stopped, changed this configuration, okay, na, so I'm reading this file, something like that. So up to date in that log file will be updated, guys, by the application. So every application and every server, we have the log file. Log file is very, very important, guys. So log files will go to etc folder. Var log folder, /var/log folder. Okay, now. So like that, RPM is little intelligent. It will go to the respected folders. Okay, now. So like when you go with the RPM, but when you go with this zip file, it is not that much intelligent, guys. Okay, now when you go with, so here when you go with RPM, there are different folders, right? Like we have etc, we have slash bin, we have slash var, we have slash lib, we have slash usr slash share. Okay, here in etc configuration files, if application related any configurations there, it will go to etc folder. Okay, any command files or binaries will go to bin folder. Log files will go to var folder. Libraries will go to lib folder. Documents, anything available means it will go to USR. Like this, in a single RPM file, you can get multiple files. అవన్నీ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలో అక్కడికి వెళ్తాయి. Those files will go to respected folders. Let me show you one example. General example I am showing you. Let's take any RPM. Okay, how to check what are the RPM packages available in my system? Guys, how to check what are the RPM packages we have in the system? Huh? I'm not able to hear you. Not sure. Completely, I'm not able to hear you. Anybody, do you know idea how to check exactly RPM space hyphen QA? Can anybody just speak out, because I'm not able to hear someone voice? Is it for only for him?
Hello?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, RPM hyphen QA will show you all the RPMs. Okay, now which are already installed. Let me take one of the RPM. Anything. Okay, na? Maybe. Okay, some application which you know, that application only will take. Wget. I installed Wget just now, right? Let's take this Wget RPM package. What happened? Well, exactly. When I installed RPM package, what happened? I will show you. This is the command, guys. Okay, na? The package name. This is the command to check what are the list of files you get. Q means query, L means list, guys. So it will list the information in this RPM. What are the files and things you got it from this folder? Uh, can you please give me control? I don't think, I don't know. All of a sudden, I'm not able to manage. Just press enter. Hello? Press enter. See, guys, you got this many files with that RPM. Guys, when you install RPM, మీకు ఇన్ని ఫైల్స్ వచ్చాయి మీ సిస్టంలోకి. See, bin means binary, guys, command. How my command working? Because of this file only. Wget command, how it is working? Because of this command. That is also program, guys. All our commands are programs. Okay, na? See, document. See, configuration. Okay, na? So like this, when I install any application, any RPM package, okay, na? So the respected files will go to respected folders. Okay, so they designed like that, guys. Who developed that application, right? He designed like that. So that is the advantage of RPM. Even, guys, in Windows also, What is the extension? You will download .exe file. And when you download and install, when you click on run button, what will happen? The .exe file will be extracted and it will go to the respected folders, guys. Okay, na. So the respected files will go to respected folder, C drive. Okay, now let's talk about the zip file. When I go with zip file, what will happen? Zip is not that much intelligent tool, guys. Okay, na. With zip also, you will get the same files, whatever you need for your application. But the problem is when I go with zip file, example, I am in TMP folder. Okay, na. Now, if I do wget and some zip file, example, nagios.zip file instead of RPM. Okay, na, I downloaded it. So now it will be available under TMP folder only. Guys, the nagios.zip file is available in TMP folder only. And if I extract it, example, I did unzip and my zip file name. Okay, na unzip then my zip file name. So it will extract into the same folder, guys. In TMP only, all my like so the Nagios folder gets created, and under that you can see all your binaries, configuration, libraries. So compulsory, the user who would like to use this Nagios, he should go to that particular folder, Nagios folder. ఇక్కడ నుండే నీ కమాండ్స్ వర్క్ అవుతాయి. You cannot work with from other folders, guys. వేరే ఫోల్డర్స్ లోకి వెళ్తే నీ కమాండ్ వర్క్ అవ్వదు. బికాస్ ఆల్వేస్ రిమెంబర్, కమాండ్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? బిన్, యూజర్ బిన్, ఎస్ బిన్, ఓకే, స్లాష్ ఎస్ బిన్, స్లాష్ usr has been. Your command should be available in these bin folders only, compulsory. Then only your commands will work. If any other folder, if your program that command file is there, it won't work out. Compulsory, you should go to that folder. Remember this, guys. If you go with RPM package, example, I'm in TMP folder. Okay, now I did yum install nagios.rpm. Assume that. Now what will happen? It doesn't matter with irrespective of your folder. ekkadunnaru meru, so from where you are running this command, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it will download and it will extract, and that extracted files will go to the respected folders. But in this case, మీరు ఎక్కడుంటే అక్కడే డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుంది. వేర్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్, దేర్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ డౌన్లోడ్ అండ్ దేర్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ ఇంక్రీస్, వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే, it will extract. Okay, so your commands also, you should go to this folder and from there only you should run. Okay, that is the difference between yum and rpm file and zip file. I hope you understood the difference. అర్థమైందా గైస్? రెండు ఫైల్స్ సేమే, బట్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ ఆర్పిఎం తో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలో అక్కడికి వెళ్తాయి, జిప్ తో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే ఎక్కడ డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తే అక్కడే ఉంటాయి. సో మీరు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి రన్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందే కమాండ్స్. అండర్స్టూడ్ గైస్?
Yes.
Did you understand the concept?
Yes.
What is
Yes, sir. Yes,
wget?
sir.
Okay, great. Yeah, so now successfully I downloaded the zip file. See, my zip file is available. It's up to you. Okay, let's maybe where is asking? Is asking to do it in C, like a TMP folder. So I'll move it. What is the command, guys, to move from one folder to another folder?
MV.
Exactly, MV, the file name,
And path.
yeah, path of the folder. I want to move it to TMP. Oh, it seems already in TMP I downloaded. That's why. No, Bhaskar, you are not audible. I'm not able to hear you. Guys, anybody, are you able to hear Bhaskar voice?
No. No, sir.
I'm not able to hear him. Yes, Bhaskar, we have the command. Just now I told you, right? RPM space packages which are installed. All are installed packages in your system. ఇన్ని ప్యాకేజెస్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసావు నువ్వు అంటే నువ్వు కాదు యూ గాట్ మెనీ ఫ్రమ్ ఇమేజ్ ఇట్ సెల్ ఇమేజ్ లోనే ఉన్నాయి ఇవన్నీ సో ఇమేజ్ తో పాటు వచ్చేసాయి నీకు ఇవన్నీ ఓకే యా నౌ లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ ఐ డిడ్ దిస్ యా కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ రన్ దిస్ కమాండ్ యా డూ ఎల్ఎస్ నౌ ఆల్వేస్ ట్రై టు వెరిఫై ఇట్ గైస్ మీరు ఏం చేశారో వెరిఫై చేయండి సీ హియర్ నౌ ఐ అన్జిప్డ్ ఇట్ ఓకేనా సో సీ ఐ గాట్ ద ఫైల్ I got this folder because as I told zip file where I downloaded, where I extracted, there only it will be. It won't go to the respected folder. Yeah, now CD Linux. Yeah, so these are the different files you got it with your agent. Okay, so guys, we are installing NRPE agent in our clients, in our machines. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, go ahead now. So we extracted it. So we verified it. Okay. So next CD to this folder. Yeah, already I think we did that. Already వెళ్ళాం కదా. Show me that. Yeah, already we are in that folder. Next. Yeah, run this command. So this is also shell script, guys. One of the shell script. So he only provided. So I'm running that directly. Yes. So it will take care now. Not everything. Yeah. So now guys, always in real time, security is very, very important, guys. Okay, now. So we have to provide like from where you want to monitor this server. Okay, that is what allow from. Okay, so we have to give our master IP address. Master, what is master? Master is nothing but where I have the Nagios master. So which is our master? This one or this one? Can you please change the name? Maybe you can delete the old one if it is not working. Just completely delete it. Otherwise, we'll confuse. Maybe you can do one thing. Just a minute. Give me control. Wait. Give me control. Just select the old one. Hmm. Here, just change the name instead of old. Okay. So you can make it like this, so that it will be good. Okay. Yeah. Now we are good to go. Now select this. Select the IP address of your master. Okay. Provide your master IP address. Oh, sorry. Actually, you haven't pasted. Okay, no problem. I will show you where it is stored. Okay, na? So there is a file for your NRPE. The file name is this one. vi/etc init.d slash NRPE. This is the file name, guys. Not init.d. Extra init.d, I think so. D slash NRPE. Yeah. This is the folder name. Sorry, this is the file name. Basically, see here, I missed it. By mistakenly, we pressed enter before pasting the master address. No problem. Ikkada miss aina sare, this is the file for your NRPE agent. When I install NRPE, I'll get this file. Okay, now open this file. Yeah, come down. You can go and add your IP address, the master IP address. So what does that mean? From where you want to monitor your server. This is local address, guys. Ante same server. The like client machine. Guys, ప్రతి machine లో ఈ IP address ఉంటుంది. Not only Linux I'm talking about. Everywhere. Avinash, can you please mute yourself? Getting disturbance. So in every system, this IP address is available, guys. Not only in Nagios I'm talking about, even Windows also, Linux also. So this is called as local host address. Ante naku nenu, for me myself, I want to refer means I will use this one. Okay, na in any even you can see this in Nagios master also. Okay, na అక్కడ కూడా మీరు local host అంటే ఇదే అడ్రస్ వస్తుంది. Then this is your master address. Okay, now save this. Okay, and see here, guys, clearly is showing that. Okay, now open the 5666 port here. Why? Because can you please, if anybody wants this picture, you can take a snapshot, guys. Photo this coach కావాలంటే ఇది. Can you please post in your respected group chat? మీ గ్రూప్ చాట్ లో పోస్ట్ చేసుకోండి. యా సేవ్ చేయండి, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ లైక్ ఫోటో కూడా తీసుకోండి కావాలనుకుంటే. ఫోటో బెటర్ ఫైల్ కన్నా కూడా, ఎందుకంటే ఫైల్ అయితే మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. ఫోటో అయితే డైరెక్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విజిబుల్. యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ ఫోటో. ఫోటో తీసుకోండి గైస్, టేక్ ఏ ఫోటో. ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఆర్పిఎం అండ్ జిప్ ఫైల్. It's general concept, guys, not related to Nagios. Manak Linux is a ocean, guys. So in DevOps also it will be covered. Okay, yeah. So here this is my master machine. Okay, na? And this is my agent machine. both are Linux as of, doesn't matter guys, Linux Windows okay, now out of matter it is. So now from this here I have Nagios application, okay, na, in this machine. And here I have NRPE agent. NRP అంటే అది కూడా Nagios agent అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా. Now this master Nagios application can talk to this agent NRPE agent guys. ఈ NRPE agent తో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటది. మాట్లాడాలి అంటే what you have to open guys, what you have to open, కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, రెండిట్లో అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు. నౌ బోత్ హ్యాస్ ద అప్లికేషన్, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఓపెన్ ద డోర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సర్వర్ లెవెల్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫైర్ వాల్. ఓకేనా. సో ఎన్ఆర్పిఈ, దిస్ Nagios will use 5666 port number guys. ఓకేనా, 5666 port number NRPE will use. So that door I have to open here. And also for the server status guys, there is one more communication tool called ping, ante hardware state. So this NRP is to verify the like different metrics like memory, CPU, storage, running process, running services, log file inside a server. What like information is there, this NRP will post it to Nagios. But to check the server status, so ping protocol I have to open guys. This is a communication tool. Ping ane oka command undi manaki. What it does, it will check the server status. Now NRP is checking your inside server like the different metrics. So ping protocol will check the status of the server, whether it is up and running or not, whether I am able to talk to you or not. సర్వర్ అసలు రన్నింగ్ లో ఉందా లేదా చెప్తుంది పింగ్ అనేది ఎప్పుడైనా సరే. ఓకే, సో ఐ నీడ్ 2 ports open, 5666 and ping command in your worker node. Can you do that? In server also I have to do the same thing. First do it in master. Open the security group. In master what do we need? Same 5666 and ping protocol along with the 80. So 5666 from where I'm giving all, come down. Okay, now add one more rule here. As I told, ping command is that this is the ping protocol guys. Then particular port em ledu daniki ping ki. Okay na, so just you have to select ICMP protocol. Save rules. This is master server. Now go to slave machine. Where is your slave machine? This is it your slave machine now? Idena?
It exchange.
Always we have to make it a proper name. Slave machine ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు. It can be Jenkins server, it can be slave machine, I mean like a HTTP application. So generally that application name will be there. Yeah, go ahead. Is it, if it is slave machine, go ahead. Open this. Add rule 5666 and add rule ICMP rule. Okay, save rule. So ports are also enabled. Yeah, save rule. Now let's go to our master dashboard. Okay, now first of all, wait. First of all, I need a slave IP address. Okay, now from server side also I have to do few things now. Go to instances, select the slave machine, select the IP address. Okay, now go to Nagios dashboard. Here click on configure button. configuration wizards. Okay. So which machine I want to monitor? So guys, not only servers, Linux machine. See, there are so many things you can monitor. మీరు AWS account ని కూడా మానిటర్ చేయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ నుంచి. Even Docker machines also you can monitor. Okay, we'll talk about Docker later. So let's search with Linux. Can you search with Linux? Okay. So Linux server. Provide your IP address. So which distribution it is? CentOS. Okay, see, it supports different distributions. Next. See guys, here what are the different things it is monitoring. So ping means server status, guys. Okay, M update status. Is there any updates in your server required? Is there any old packages available? So that also it will check. Server load. Okay, so what is the you can give two things here: warning message and critical message. Warning means just okay, about to reach. Example, my threshold value I want to make it as 70. Okay, 70 is critical for me. So I will give 60 or 55 as the warning message. So you'll get at 55 also one warning. Hey, you're about to reach your threshold value. Okay, it's my wish that time. Maybe if not required, I can ignore it. So again, at 70%, you will get critical message. Hey, you reached your threshold value. Please take care. Why? Because guys, 70%, 60% means it's there. I can control my mission. I can log in and I can try to reduce the load, CPU utilization, memory utilization, storage utilization. I can remove unwanted things. Okay, if any additional things running, I can stop them. Okay, and I can control. But if it is 100%, example, this monitoring not there. If it is 100%, what will happen? Then you cannot control that time. Okay, so you have to reboot or something. Application will not be available then. So guys, our target is our machines should be always available. So what I will do here, this alerts. These alerts will help you. See, CPU statistics. Your wish, you can change them. Like it, I can make it 60 and I can make it 75. Okay, 65, you will get one alert, 60. It will say, hey, like you are about to reach out. Please take care. Now this is very critical message. You have to take care. Okay? Because if you cross this, reaching 100 is not a big deal. Hardly within half an hour or 1 hour, you will get the like a breach. You cannot log in then if it is 100%. Right? Outage will be there. Outage means you cannot log in. Application is not working. The website is not working. So you will get impact. See, what are the things you get? You can do monitor. You can monitor everything. Your wish, guys. If you don't want to monitor, say example swap message. I don't have swap actually, so I don't want to monitor. Not required. Okay, here let me show you. Free command. It will show you your memory, guys. See, I don't have swap. What is swap? Swap is the additional memory, guys, which you can create in your hard disk. మీ హార్డ్ డిస్క్ లో క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు ర్యామ్ లాగా. It works as a virtual RAM, but not actual RAM. At least instead of nothing, something is better, right? That kind of. So few applications required swap. In your hard disk, you can create a swap. Generally, how much swap you will create means double the RAM. Here example, you have 1 GB RAM. So I can create swap 2 GB. If I have 16 GB RAM, I can create up to 32 GB swap. It acts similar to RAM, not same, similar. Okay, now something better when compare. I mean, when your RAM is full, swap also like will be useful for your RAM, additional RAM anmata. Right now I don't have, so why should I monitor? Simply I'm just disabling that. I don't want to monitor. So see, number of open files, number of users, total process, how much it should cross, it's up to you. I don't want like it's everything. So what file system you want to monitor? So right now how many file systems I have? Df space hyphen h, only one. Remaining tmpfs, these are not file system. So guys, in Windows we call them as drives, right? Here file system. Only one I have. So if you have multiple, you can monitor them as well. Okay, na? Your wish, up to you. So which process you want to monitor? Service process are there, right? Service. For example, in my application HTTPD running, that process I want to monitor. So that service name I can give. It's up to you. Okay. So next process also. Some Java process running. That process name you can give here. Like this. Okay, you can monitor whatever you need. Now add next. Okay, na? So like for how many minutes? Like every 5 minutes I want to monitor. Okay, na? Example, like I got, when I check now, I'm getting some like so it gets some like detected some problem. So immediately, instead of sending immediately, even we can tell that wait for some time, because sometimes false alarms also. Maybe like just all of a sudden spike happened, but immediately it went down. So no, I don't want to get alert in such a case. So I can give that configurations here. Now finish. Okay. So now go back to home. Yeah, see, two servers are up and running, and the services also they will come back one by one now. Okay, na 22 actually. So they will come one by one. Wait for some time. You can see all green color. So what is critical? So yeah, it's not at come back. Yeah, swap usage. As I told, I don't have swap. So let's delete this. Okay, so sorry, come back. Hmm. Swap, I don't want to monitor. Go here. Oh. Okay, you can't swap this. Okay, on local host, I don't want to monitor swap. So I'm going here, delete this service. Okay, na? I don't want to monitor because unnecessarily I don't have swap. Why should I monitor? Right? Like this, all the services I will add here, all the hosts. How many hosts I have? 1,000. So anyway, those 1,000 servers you don't launch in one shot, right? Slowly, one by one, you will add. So one by one, like whenever you, so remember, whenever you have one new server, immediately you will add. That is the process. You will add them into your service, your Nagios. So continuously it will monitor behalf of you. Okay, na? So in some time you will get all the services here, green color. If any problem, okay, na? Like you can see that. Now it is showing 3. Why 3? See, could not connect to connection read by peer. So something problem. Just a minute. 90, 95, 90. Is it the same server? Same only. We opened required ports, right? 5366 and ICMP. Okay, good. In master, yeah, in master also we opened required ports. Maybe it's taking some time, guys. Definitely it should come up. Why? Because we opened the proper ports. Maybe it's taking some time. Okay, so wait for some time. So all should come up. Everything should come up. Okay, so slowly, but it's taking some time. Okay, so maybe if you wait for some time, you'll get everything up and running here. This is how we'll add our servers and like services. Services mean inside your server, whatever you want to monitor, those are called as services. In this case, in Nagios. ఓకేనా ఇలాగా మనం అన్ని సో ఇట్ రెడ్యూసెస్ అవర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ గైస్ యు నో నీడ్ టు బాదర్ విచ్ సర్వర్ ఈస్ బిజీ విచ్ సర్వర్ ఈస్ కన్సూమింగ్ మోర్ okay is down, everything you will be alerted. So notifications also we can set up, guys. What kind of notifications? Like alert, mail notifications. So in tomorrow class I will show you how to set up the notifications, guys. ఓకేనా ఇది మెయిల్ యాడ్ చేయడం, సర్వర్ యాడ్ చేయడం. సో ఇన్ టుమారో క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ నోటిఫికేషన్ పార్ట్, హౌ టు సెటప్ ద నోటిఫికేషన్స్. ఓకేనా గైస్?
Amar,
Okay.
am I audible?
Yes,
Sure.
Bhaskar, you are audible.
For example, if you have the hundreds of servers in our company,
Ah,
is there any way to push this as an application to all the systems, all on
yes,
the server?
definitely automation also possible. Instead of installing manually like this, we have automation also, like Ansible. You can use shell script. Okay na? By using
Okay.
those you can do that, you can do automation. That is later part. First of all, as of now, try to understand what is Nagios. మీరు ఇప్పుడు చేసిన దాన్ని ఆటోమేషన్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. వితౌట్ లాగిన్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ డూ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఓకేనా?
In future, you'll show us, right? The automation part.
ఇఫ్ వన్స్ యూ నో ఆన్సిబుల్, అప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమైపోద్ది ఎలా చేయాలో నాగేవోస్.
Okay.
ఓకే, యా,
Okay.
ఓకే దెన్ గైస్. సో ఇన్ టుమారో క్లాస్
ఇది లాగిన్ ఉంటుంది, లాగిన్
లాగౌట్ చేసేయండి. ఓకే, యా, ఓకే దెన్ గైస్,
ఓకే సార్.
యా, బాయ్.